earn dollars just by playing games. Let's go to the video. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. Today I have a really cool site for you called Paidverts.com where you can earn money and receive free gift cards. All you need to do is complete offers, surveys, and small tasks to earn money. You can also sign up via Google, Facebook, and PayPal and enter the site. Now, I will click on the option to sign in with Google. Here is the homepage of this website where you can make money. You can earn money by completing offers, doing some tasks, answering surveys, watching various videos, and inviting your friends. In this video, we will review all of these. The first section we will work with is the offers section. Here there are games for iOS, Android, and web. You can choose which games to display. There are many games available, and tasks never run out. You just need to spend 1 to 2 hours a day of your valuable time here to earn some extra cash. Keep in mind that these sites are not going to make you rich. They can only provide you with some pocket money. As I said, these games are available for Android, iOS, and Windows, and you can play them. The points you earn here will be used later, and I will tell you how much each point is worth in dollars. For example, if you install this game and reach 100 meters, you will earn 74 points. If you reach 5,000 meters, you will earn 26,418 points. To install, you can scan this QR code with your Android phone. The next section is the Explore section, which is quite similar to the previous one. Here too, there are various companies that offer you points for completing tasks such as installing games, just like in the previous section. And as you can see, there are many companies and you can click on any of them. I will click on Torox. This section also has specific games and their points are not small but quite high. You just need to install them on your device, complete the specified level, and earn points which you can then convert to money. I will explain how to do this by the end of the video, so watch the entire video to learn how to count your money. Here is the settings section for these games, where you can come and read the instructions. Honestly, I don't have the patience to read these. As I mentioned, there are many other companies, and you can click on any of them. The next sections I will mention in this video are the surveys and videos sections, where you can earn money by completing tasks and watching videos. I won't go into these. Let's move on to the invitation section. This is the invitation section. Here, you can give your referral link to your friends and earn 10% of their income plus 30,000 points if your friend also earns 30,000 points. You can copy your referral link from here and share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp using these options. The exciting part 1 mentioned to watch until the end of the video is here, where the points are converted into real money. The redeem section does this for you. After clicking on this option, you come to this section and can see that $1 equals 10,000 points. By completing just one of those games and reaching high levels, you can earn far more than 10,000 points. If you agree to do this, let us know in the comments. As I told you, you earn 2,000 points for completing one task. For games, these points are higher. For example, 223,000 points for completing this game and reaching level 2,000 meters. If you are on Android, set it from here, and if you want to see all the offers, set it from this section. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Any comments you have, please write them for us. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now. And until the next video, goodbye.